Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Creatives, ready to start selling printables on Etsy? In this tutorial, we will guide you throughout the process of creating and listing printables on your Etsy shop. From designing your product to setting up listings, we've got you all covered. So, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So the first thing, guys, is basically going on to Etsy.com and then sign in with your account. After that, you will be taken to this page. Simply have to fulfill these informations. Click on save and continue, give it a name, save and continue, and here you will have to stock your shop. So here, click on add products, add listings. And this is basically how you can do it. So here we have physical item, but yet we can't really have everything here like sold out on Etsy. We need another application for that uses exactly, because Etsy doesn't give you the possibility to print on demand in it. But in this video I got you the solutions. So because here, let me just explain it to you guys. Here you are going to sell a hoodie, for example. This hoodie, you will not get the informations from the client if you want to print something in it or anything such as. So for this video we are going to use another app, and then we will integrate it with Etsy. So this app is going to be called Printify. It's a very unique tool to make print on demand designs. So go to this website, click on sign up, and then simply use your Google account to sign in. There we go, and here we are. So since now I have created my account, now we simply going to go to store settings, and as you can see here, you can literally click on Printify Connect. So this is available with Printify Premium, connect Printify Connect, and so more as a Printify Premium member. So this Printify Connect, guys, will allow you to basically connect it with other websites. So as you can see here, I can add new store. Let me just add here new store, and as you can see here, print on demand, you will find here the possibility to add Etsy as your store. So what I'm gonna do is click on here, as you can see, and basically now an application would like to collect your account. So you are currently signed in as your account, so your application Printify prints all the bad dropshipping is trying to collect to your account. You should be seeing this message because you are using an Etsy app. If you didn't come to this page throughout an Etsy app, or if you followed a link in an email or chat, close this window now. If you grant access, you will be subject to Printify Print on Demand Dropshipping's privacy policy, and Printify Print on Demand Dropshipping will have permission to do the following on your behalf. So let's read that out. So these are the things that Printify can do: connect to our account, read our user profile, create and edit listings, delete listings, see all listings, see billing and shipping address, see all checkout payment data, update receipts, update shop, and see private shop info. This is exactly what you want. Great access. Click on it, simply just like that. And now your Printify store is already connected to an Etsy store via different store name. So I have it already connected. So now I'm just gonna delete those, and let me show you how you can now store stuff, create stuff, and make designs, and then they will be added automatically to your Etsy store. So as you can see here, let me just remove that. Okay, this is good. So here create orders. So let's make it manual, browsing catalog, and here let's say for example I'm going to make a design for a book. So here it is, journal mate. Let's make a design for it. So click on here. So this is the book, how it looks when it is empty. Now let's make a design for it. Now the good thing about Printify themselves, they are going to give you sometimes different producer for the book itself, so you can choose the best producer for you. So the difference in producers will be in terms of price and in terms of quality of the book itself, and of course the location where it is produced. So basically, if it is produced in US and you print it and demand it on US and send it to someone in US, it's gonna be much more cheaper and much faster for the client to receive it. But let's say, for example, it is located in US and then the print on demand will be shipped to let's say, for example, KSA or Russia or something like that. Well, it will take much more time. So here also you will have all different kind of information about the book, like the features, size guide, care instructions, use soft and clean dry cloth to gently brush any dust or dirt off from the center of the book outwards, etc, etc. And this is the height and sizes of it. So for now, I'm just going to click on start designing right through this button, and there we go. So I will explore by myself. Got it. So here we have the faces of the book. So now what I'm gonna do is let's make an AI edge. Let's try it out. So let's try to have a cat. Okay, a black cat with one eye blue, the other yellow, sitting on a chair, writing down in a book with a white background behind it. So let's generate image and let's try to see if they are going to actually give us what we were looking for. Now these are the styles that they have, but I don't want to really choose something from them. I mean, they tried their best. They went from CAD to console to PC. I don't know exactly, but let's try to use this one for example. So I'm going to use this one. It's going to be added right here. We can add it in the middle, and this is, for example, how you can do it. But I didn't really like the image, so I'm just going to keep using simple text. So book. So let's put it right here. I'm going to make it like that. And here I'm going to add another layer, which gonna be something like that. Right. Let's for example, right. Let's copy this one. Can I copy it though? Wait, let me just do this, do that. Okay, let's select it, and I'm going to add a new text. In me, something like that. Right in me. So let me just make this smaller, and something like that could be good. So, or wrote me down or something like that. So this is just a name that I've just created from scratch. I'm going, for example, to add some kind of shape. So graphics here. Let's search for a circle maybe. Or we can add my library. You can find here everything in your library. Here you can find templates if you don't have any templates. Here there is other stuff. So there's a lot of things to actually use. So my templates, you can find here graphics. You can find here. I'm just gonna use this simple circle here. It's gonna be looking something like that, and I'm going to basically copy everything in here and try to paste it in the other direction. But yeah, this is in general how you can create a design, and simply once you are done, click on done, click on save, and it's gonna be sent to your Etsy website. And yeah guys, that was basically it. This is how you can click and create prints on demand on Etsy using Printify, using another tool. So thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.